The 5 finalists left standing in the 2023 Jamaica Gospel Star competition will be joined by some of Jamaica's best gospel artists for Jamaica Praise, the Gospel Star edition, on Wednesday, August 2, Independence Village at the National Arena, featuring Kevin Downswell, Kookadoo, Alicia Taylor, John Mark Wigan, Jai Kingston, and many more. That's Wednesday, August 2, Independence Village, National Arena at 8 p.m. And it will be aired live on PBCJ. Jamaica Praise, the Gospel Star edition, an evening of foot-stomping, hand-waving, soul-stirring gospel music as we crown the 2023 Jamaica Gospel Star. Come out and be blessed. Powered by Digicel, Chase Fund, Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority, Airports Authority of Jamaica, PICA, Excelsior, and the Universal Service Fund.